Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir says Egypt has been supporting opposition forces in the country. President Bashir has threatened he will approach the United Nations Security Council. Bashir accuses Egypt's intelligence services of backing opposition rebels. He's made it clear, though, that the issue is not with the Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, but with the country's intelligence services. The accusations come amid allegations that Sudan is hosting several members of the banned Egyptian organization, the Muslim Brotherhood.